Hello, this is Mandy with Scott Leroy Marketing. I'd like to show you how you can export contacts from your command out of your personal command account. If you're on a team and you actually want to export contacts out of your team account, it's a little bit of a different workflow. And so definitely check out our other tip videos on YouTube or reach out to us via email and we'll be happy to assist you with that. But again, this video is for solo agents or team members that want to export contacts out of their personal contacts in command. So, to let you know how this works, once you export either all of your own contacts or just a few, maybe a certain tag or a certain group of contacts, a link will be sent to your KW Communications email. And when you click that link, you'll be able to download the file of contacts. So first, go and check what your KW Communications email is first to make sure it's an email that is still valid and that you have access to. You can do that by coming to your name in the top right and choosing My Profile. From here, choose My KW on the left-hand side. Scroll down just a hair, and right here under Personal Information, you should see KW Communications email. If this is no longer an email that you have access to, go ahead and click Edit and update that email address. Make sure to click Save before leaving. If this is a valid address for you, then you're good to go, and now we can move to the next step of actually exporting your contacts from Command. So we'll come over here to the top left and click Command Home, and navigate to your Contacts tab on the left-hand side, little person inside of a square. Now from here, I'm going to show you how you can export all, one, and some contacts out of your command database. First, let's look at how to export all of them. Over here in the top right, you'll see the three ellipses, and you can choose Export All Owned Contacts. This will export them into a spreadsheet so that you will be able to see all the pieces of information that you have for that contact within your command database. So I'm going to go ahead and choose that so you can see the success banner at the top that lets you know your export is being processed. And again, it's going to come to you in the form of an email, and I'll put that up on the screen now. This is what the email will look like. It will actually be from Keller Williams and have a footer down here like this. And within the body of the email, you will see a blue link right here. And when you click that, it will actually download that file for you onto your device. That link is only good for 24 hours, so make sure to click that and download it onto your device before it expires, or you'll have to redo it again. Now, if you want to literally export one or multiple contacts, you can come here, select one, choose several if you would like. You can also come to your filters and choose maybe a specific tag that you're looking for. If you want to do it that way, set any and all filters that you're looking for and click Apply so that you can see those contacts. Once you have the contacts here on your screen that you actually want to export, and it's just this group, you can come down here in the bottom right, make sure that you're viewing up to 500 per page. You can export contacts in batches of 500 if you're using specific filters or just a select group of contacts. Remember, up at the ellipses, it will export all of your contacts no matter how many you have. But when you are using filters and trying to select a specific group of contacts, it does limit it to exporting 500 at a time. So now that we have our contacts here with the tags that we want to export, you can click Select All or just a few, either way that you want to do it. We're going to select all. And down here at the bottom, you see options that have now appeared on the bottom right-hand corner. Choose the More options. Here we go. And then you can export from here. Choosing Export again will export, as you can see the success banner at the top, the contacts that you have here on the screen that you've used your filters to find, and it will do it up to 500 at a time. If you had more than 500, you can click the next arrow here to move to the next batch of 500, and you would want to follow the same steps of selecting all and coming down here in the bottom right and exporting that next 500 and move along so far through them. Let's say you have 2,000, 2,500. You would repeat this multiple times until you've exported in batches of 500 that specific group of contacts that you want to export. Okay. If you have any questions about this, anything else to do with your command platform, you can always reach out to us via email, and that email address is support@scottleroymarketing.com, and we'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching.